Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
So today I got ready for church early in the morning, and while I was applying my makeup and doing my hair, Amera came downstairs and said, "Mommy, I pooped my panty." And I was in the middle of applying my mascara, so I told her to go to her daddy. Her daddy checked her panty and she had poopies in her panty. So now she and I are gonna stay home so we can watch that panty. Can you turn that music down, please? Sorry for the dramatic music in the background. But Amera and I will be here at home. Peter needs to go to church with the two other children. And I guess I have to make lunch, and I guess I have to clean up. Okay, have a good day. So, like, every Sundays, our house is always a mess. I don't know anyone else that has a clean home before they go to church, but we don't. We have a messy home. But it's okay, because when we come back from church, we all pitch in together, teamwork, and we clean up together. But I'm here by myself, and I'm going to be doing it by myself, and it's disgusting. Okay. All right, sick girl. You sit there and you relax, okay?
No.
You relax your bum, okay? Mommy will clean the house. Okay, ready? Go, Mommy. Okay, so I only cleaned the kitchen and the living room. I was gonna clean the kids' room and their bathroom, but it's disgusting. They're both disgusting, and I'm not gonna clean it. So they will clean it. They will clean it when they come home from church. I'm gonna go cook lunch because they will be home. Peter and the kids will be home in about half an hour, and I need to get lunch started. Okay? Oh my gosh, that was a headache. All right, here I go. So when I went to go cook lunch, there was no meat in the freezer because we didn't go shopping on Saturday before Sunday. We did, however, have a lot of bacon and a lot of bread. So I decided to make breakfast for lunch. Besides, I don't even think my kids and Peter had breakfast before they went to church. So I am making some eggs, some French toast, and some bacon. That is right. That is what's for lunch. Okay, so I finished lunch just before 12. I am so happy. So I fried some eggs with olive oil. I made some French toast with multi-grain bread. And I fried up some turkey bacon. And I'm exhausted. My kids' rooms are still a mess. The downstairs is still a mess. The bathrooms are still a mess. I know, Sundays are not meant for cleaning. I know. But when I'm home all day and I'm in a messy house, I cannot sit still. So we'll see if we'll even clean up everywhere else. But the kitchen and the living room is clean, and I'm happy. Lunch is made, Amera is feeling a little better, my family's gonna be home from church soon, and I'm gonna go sit down and relax. But look at that. I'm all about presentation. If it looks good, if it's presented in a nice way, it probably tastes good too.
So we came home today, and lunch was already made. We came home from church, and lunch was already made. So we got some bacon. Yeah, that's turkey bacon, and French toast, and eggs, and yeah, we got some honey, got some syrup, and so thank you, Mommy. Mommy and Amera stayed home from church today because Amera wasn't feeling good. And so, but anyways, we came home to this lovely meal that we're about to pound. So, yeah. You like your food? What do you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Yummy, huh, Teo?
I haven't even eaten it yet.
Eaten, not eaten. Eaten.
Eaten.
Oh, come on, Kanaka. Learn English.
My dad and my sister are sleeping.
What are you doing? Now, these two wanted to know what they could do to get a treat. And so they're competing right now. Wait, what are you doing? You're just wiping all the lotion all over that pillow. Bruh, you don't make sense, man. Okay, so they're competing right now. Whoever gives the best foot massage, I will let them pick a treat for tomorrow. What did you say? That's what I thought, son.
I'm going to destroy you like Daddy's feet.
Ooh, did you hear that, Pika?
There you go. So, we all work together to make our house a home, right?
Yeah.
You guys get it? We were missing pieces before because Mommy wasn't helping you guys with the puzzle pieces, right?
Like
But because Mommy started helping, we were able to make our house a home. And that's just like us when we need to keep our home in order, okay? We can't keep our home in order and organized by ourselves. We have to work together as a family, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Prepare myself while I am young. This is my sacred to teach.
7, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9, 10, 14, 16, 18, 19, 18, 19, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15. That's all.
Are you gonna go look for them?
Yeah.
Did you even count to 20? Where are they? Look for them. Can you find them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where are they?
Hey, they were here. I'm
Good job, Miss.
like,
Mara, he's in that room. He's somewhere in that room. Come on, let's go. Good job, Miss. You found him. Give him 5. Who are you looking for? Where is he? Where's Pika?
I found him. He's back here.
Good hiding spot there, buddy.
I have no idea where Pika is. I wonder where Pika is. Do you guys know where he is?
It's an invisible claw. This is Harry Potter. I didn't know that.
Where's Amera?
Where's Amera?
You got 5 people.
I'm going to sit.
Okay, go look for Amera. Hurry up.
You could go through me.
Where's?
I'm right here.
Were you screaming for her tail? Did you want her? I don't think you understand how to play the game. Maris, come here. Let me tell you something, okay, real quick. You have to be quiet when you're hiding. Do you understand? You cannot tell them.
Real boy.
Are you listening to me? You can't tell them where you are. You have to stay hidden. You have to stay quiet. You don't want them to find. No, you know.
No.
You know.
No, you.
You don't know how to play the game.
Look, look.
You're not taking me
Instead
seriously.
of doing this, you can do this. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'm going to count.
Can you give me a kiss?
1, 2, 3.
She's counting. Run now.
All right, where are they, Pika?
Nope.
Nope.
Here, mommy. Oh,
Why are you talking? You don't know how to play. You have to be quiet.
Dad, can you give me hints? Just yelling.
No, go look for her. Aloha. It is Sunday, and this is our question and answer segment. Pajama Corner question. Is that what we're calling it?
Maybe.
Yeah. Pajama Corner questions. We got some random questions
For each other.
For each other.
Or no, we'll answer it together. I don't know.
No, individual.
This is really sloppy. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, pick one.
Okay. I'm gonna pick one and he's gonna answer it. Okay. What is your favorite first memory of me?
When she talked to me for the first time, we were in front of the Cuckoo gym, and I was studying really hard, trying to focus on my math, on my school work, and she rudely came and interrupted me and started talking to me about some random stuff. I always thought she was so pretty, and I was just so surprised that she came and talked to me. And I think that was my
she's a
first
loser.
favorite memory of her. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I was a loser, whatever. Okay. What is a bonus quality you got in me you didn't know about before marriage?
I think I knew everything about you before we got married.
Oh yeah?
A bonus quality. Oh man,
There's just so many to choose from.
there's too many.
Where do you begin?
I don't
It's
know.
like a new one every day.
I knew that you were always nice.
Go on.
I knew that you were always funny.
Go
I
on.
knew that you were always sweet. I think it's your patience.
My patience.
I didn't realize how patient you were
Until after
until
we got
after we got married, because I'm a handful.
married. No, you're not. Stop it.
Okay.
For me.
What were you thinking about just before you kissed me for the first time?
She sang to me for the first time. I asked her to sing, right? That was her first kiss. Okay, she sang to me, and so I was thinking of how beautiful her voice is. But as you guys saw yesterday, mine is like slightly better. But no, why are you laughing?
Oh, because you're right.
They know. They heard. Yeah, she sang to me, and I was just like in the moment, and it was one of those like, shh, stop singing.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Come on.
way up high. It's just a reenactment. There's a la, la, la. Okay. And scene. Okay, next question.
When did you realize you loved me? When? Tell me when!
I don't know. These questions are so hard.
The moment.
And it's so late, and I'm so tired.
It's just like you don't
we're-
want to answer the question. Okay. Was it the first time I caught your eyes?
No.
No?
No. No.
You loved me for the way I looked first,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
And then you loved me
For
for...
your personality.
Yeah. That came later though.
Peter's confidence. He didn't care what everyone's thought about him. He was just very confident. He wasn't like all the other boys.
I wasn't a dreamer. I was the real
Why are you
thing.
talking for yourself? I'm supposed to be answering you this question.
Oh, I'm
for
sorry.
you.
I'm just trying to help you out. What occasion do you remember as our most romantic? That does not even make sense. Most romantic. Oh shoot.
Aren't I supposed to answer this?
Yeah, I'm just thinking that you have so many to choose
You're
from.
answering my questions first. I think one of my favorite times was when Peter surprised me with a romantic dinner at the Turtle Bay Cabana. I think I was about 4 months or 5 months pregnant with Pika. And he took me to the cabana. He got permission to use it to set up a surprise dinner for me. We have pictures, and I'll probably post it right now.
Oh, I'm so glad you remembered that.
What set me apart from others for you?
Well, at first, you're freaking gorgeous. And I've always told Cammy this, is that like, you know, that she's not just pretty, that she's gorgeous, she's very exotic. I mean, look at her.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. And so, because she doesn't look like all the other girls, you know what I mean? Like, like, looking at her, she sets herself apart. Not that she does that. It just happens. It's just that's just how it is, and I'm just sorry about it, ladies. She was just real down to earth, very honest. Cammy was one of those girls that, you know, when she's at school, like, see, this is what I know. Okay, and I'm sorry if this was you in high school, okay, and you're listening to this right now. But she wasn't one of those that would like go to school and was like, you know how like girls like they look to see if people are looking at them. It's freaking annoying. It makes me not want to look at them. But then I am looking at them because I notice that they're doing that. I'm like, that's annoying. Cammy never did that. She would just walk into a room, do her thing, you know, and not that like, don't bother me kind of thing, you know, like I'm too good. It was just like, she wasn't worrying about that stuff. She didn't care. And so that's what I noticed about Cammy. And so I was like, you is gonna notice me, girl.
Yeah.
Why you laugh for? You did.
Oh, that was so funny.
It's the truth. I hope you guys enjoyed it and loved it. Yeah.
Join us next time for our Pajama Corner.
Questions.
Question time. Pajama time. Doo 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 doo. Pajama time. Doo doo doo. Pajama time.
Oh, how embarrassing.
Pajama time.